Alright guys, what is up? Today is going to be kind of a different video. I don't know how many videos I'm going to do like this, but just right now I kind of wanted to just talk some knowledge on crypto, if you're in the crypto space or if you're not in the crypto space. But this is mainly going to be a day trading channel, and I don't day trade crypto. So, yeah, but I think it's important to talk about. It's just a good opportunity. Okay. Alright, so what we're going to get into today is talking about Bitcoin. If you've been watching Bitcoin, or if you watch Bitcoin and have money in there, you've probably seen that it's dropped quite a bit. As we know, we peaked out at my chart. We peaked out at the 126 range in October, like right before Halloween. And then we all saw a little bit of a retrace since then. And so yeah, all of November and December we've been pretty bearish, and now we're in January. January's about to end. Yeah, so anyway, but we're having some stuff happen with the government and the Fed and whatnot. So basically, right now we've been holding this 90. We jumped up to like 97 the other day, and then but we've been like consolidating in this 85 to 90 range for a while. And I think we're finally going to start seeing a breakthrough to the downside now. So the reason yesterday, or like 2 days ago, the market's just been dumping down was because, so we had Jerome Powell. He's probably gonna get, or well, he is gonna get basically removed, and then he's gonna get replaced by Kevin Warsh. So Trump is gonna choose Kevin Warsh as the Fed chair. I think, Trump, he's always looking to try and make the American dollar and make people money or whatever. So yeah, so I think he's gonna choose someone who's gonna be pretty good for the markets. He kind of, Kevin Warsh apparently has like his hawkish kind of like bearish kind of ideas about him, but anyway, that he doesn't even come in until May. But this is why we're kind of at a standstill right now, because he's replacing Jerome Powell, and so basically we are just kind of at a standstill. That's why we saw price kind of dump down, because people are just super unsure and not very certain in the market right now. Also, we might have a government shutdown, was going to be today or tomorrow. Today's the 30th and tomorrow's the 31st, but they moved it out 2 weeks. Honestly, can't remember why exactly. It was something. Where is it? Anyway, they're putting money in something. How can I not? I can't remember. Anyway, they're putting money in something. Basically, we're good for 2 weeks. So they aren't shutting it down for like another 2 weeks, and then we're gonna look back at if the government shuts down. If the government shuts down, I believe we will see mid 70s, maybe high 60s prices. I don't think we're gonna go into the 50s. I think 60s would probably be our bottom. You never know, but I hope 60s is our bottom. Yeah, so basically expect, if the government shuts down within 2 weeks, right now you're good. If you still have your money in here, probably just, depends when you got in, depends if you're long term on crypto, depends if you're kind of short term, or say you saw the rip down from October, and near Christmas time you got some money, you put it in at like around 90,000 and now you're here, so you're not too sure what to do. Basically, what I would do if I was you, I'd probably if you just got in at like 90,000 in December, I'd probably sell, and then I would wait. Not right now, not right now. You have to, so wait for this 2 week period we're in, and kind of see what price wants to do, because we could just shoot back up to 90 and hold that consolidation like we've been doing again. Also, wait the 2 weeks, see if the government shuts down. If the government is like very highly going to shut down, the last government shutdown we dropped 30%, so expect a little bit, like a drop down obviously in price, so you're gonna get those cheaper buying opportunities. So you could potentially take out and buy even, or lock your money in at a better price. You probably will be taking a couple $100 loss depending on however much you put in. But yeah, if you put in a couple thousand, you'll probably take a couple hundred loss. If you put in 20,000, you'll probably take like $1,000 to $2,000 loss or something. But anyway, yeah. So I honestly, if I was y'all, what I would do is wait to see if the government's gonna shut down after these 2 weeks of kind of uncertainty, and then yeah. So I would wait for that, and then if we're gonna shut down, I'd see with depending what price is at, obviously. But if we're still in this 80 range, I would probably take out and then see what happens after the shutdown. See, because I bet we see if we shut down and we're still in this 80 low 80 range, I bet we will see a drawback to the 70s, maybe high 60s down here. But yeah, so that's my guess. And then I mean, if you can get in at 60s, man, you're good. You should be good, because I bet within the next 2 years we target that 150 range. I mean, I could be totally wrong, but I don't know. I have a bias towards crypto. I have really high hopes in it. So yeah, that's kind of what I'm thinking right now for the crypto market. I'm kind of just kind of waiting for this 2 week period to be done and see what the government wants to do. See how people are reacting to the new Fed chairman replacing Jerome Powell. And yeah, so that's kind of what's going on in the market right now. We're kind of at a standstill. We're gonna wait these 2 weeks, see if we might potentially have better buying opportunities, and then once you can make that move and get in there, then it's hopefully only up from there. So, but yeah, so this is not gonna be the end of crypto or anything. If you have long-term views on this, do not, and you've got in like at a really good price a couple years ago, like 2019, 2020 area, definitely don't sell. Just, keep your money in there. Maybe you can honestly probably add more to your capital once we hit these lower ranges, if we do. And yeah, that's kind of my advice, that or something I would do. But yeah, so basically I'm just gonna be watching these lower prices. But that's kind of all the news on the crypto stuff. We're kind of at a standstill right now, like I've said multiple times. But yeah, so thanks for watching this video. I know this is kind of a different form of content, since I mostly do like day trading and stocks, but I don't know, I'm interested in crypto. Figured I'd talk about it if anybody else is interested. So yeah, all right, thanks for watching. I'll catch y'all next time.